Emcer. The journey of extraordinary. Celebrating 3 years of journey. We are progressive, innovative and committed to quality, sustainability and transparency. We are Emcer. It all started with a dynamic vision and an aim to accomplish the best and a level next of eslab collections. The venture made a beginning in the year of 2018 on this day with the revolutionary launch of eslab products in Dubai, changing the perception of industry and venturing ahead from the world. This launch was the most remarkable as one of its kind. First time in India of all the launches in the ceramic industry, featuring Kareena Kapoor Khan as brand ambassador for the inauguration. Emcer has grown exponentially to become the massive industry employing more than 100 trained and powerful employees chosen effectively from the country. Emcer is led by a group of ideal and constructive team dedicated to go beyond the possibilities. Emcer has grown tremendously in the last 3 years and is successfully diversified in expanding their family by working with more than 1,000 dealers and 50 plus distributors across country, as well as 2,000 professional architects and 300 builders. Growth is the inherent feature of Emcer. By the virtue of state-of-the-art technology and diligent manpower, our production capacity has led to 35,000 square meter per day from 6,000 square meter per day, which is again a milestone in the ceramic industry. With more than 2,000 unique divine designs and premium quality material, Emcer brilliantly leads the industry and efficiently complies with more than 100 businesses and corporate as associates and sets the record-breaking sales figures with highest sales and breaking their own record every month. Each year, Emcer celebrates their trade shows and annual sales events, which serves as a symbol of welcoming the new purpose of growth and success. Let's rewind to have a glance at the events. Vibrant Ceramic, A-Stack, Sevi Sama, Stone India, Emcer Annual Sales Meet, Emcer Sales Meet Inspiration. Emcer believes in challenging the new discoveries to turn into tomorrow's trend with acquiring a global footprint of more than 80 countries. Emcer stands radiant and accredited, offering innovative outputs with marvelous market hold. Emcer chooses determination, discipline and dedication. Let's celebrate the 3rd anniversary of Emcer together. We promise to keep our commitment level as always high and believe to have everyone's love and support forever. Happy 3rd anniversary, Emcer. Emcer, it all begins here.